I've lost my account up to 3 times, and don't call me a fool. It's not my fault. Sometimes my account was hacked, sometimes I just don't know what happened. I press one thing or two and the account is gone. Well, if I'm starting my account afresh and I want people to see me again, or let's say I want to start a new business, these are the 5 beautiful things I'm going to do to get live online and I start selling business again. You don't just open social media account one day and say everybody should come and start buying from you. It doesn't work that way. This is not 2006. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create an impression of authority. Months ago, I launched a shoe brand business, which is Pink and Blue brand. What I did was talk about it. I started talking about beautiful school shoes and talk about how parents can maintain it. And people started seeing me as an authority. This is what you should do too. You should have a platform where you want to bring people from, either from your WhatsApp or from Facebook, and you want to direct them to Instagram. So the first thing you want to do is to talk about the business. Let people start seeing you as an authority in the business. So let's say you are an expert in nail polishing, nail fixing. Why don't you go online and make research on the issues people have with their nails and start talking about it? When you start talking about it, people start asking you questions, and when people ask you questions, you answer their questions. For example, you make a post and say 5 things that can ruin your nail faster than you ever thought. Then make research on it and talk about it. There are so many people that have had their nails ruined because they've gone to fake business owners, people that have no knowledge about what they are doing. They're just making money and they want to know about these things. If I were you, what I would do is I would talk about it and create solutions for these things. I'm taking you to the second thing I'm going to do. For 30 days, create 30 different contents, either in videos or you create it in text or audio. So with video, what you can do is create videos like this talking about nails. You can go to Pinterest and look for pictures and videos of nail. Facebook work a lot. You can use Facebook to share some of these things. You know, when you see people talking about a particular topic and it's something that interests you, you would naturally want to read about it, and that's exactly what you want to do. You can come up with stories of one client or another that did this, that did that never happened, and create a kind of scenario that people can relate with. For example, you can see someone came to your shop, someone came to your office, someone came to your store and was asking you about one thing, and you bring a story around solving a problem that you were able to solve. You will see people make comment about it. It's natural now. People will make comment about it, and that is where you come as an authority to let them know what you actually know, unless you don't know anything.
The alternator, okay? The alternator is not supplying power to the carburetor and the injector.
So what you can also do is to go to pages. Go to pages where you can have people that will be interested in what you are doing. For example, you will see some people like women alike that are going to be on hair vendors pages. Someone that makes hair would want to fix her nails. Someone that is interested in fine clothing will also want to fix her nails. Someone that is attracted to luxury bags will also want to fix her nails. So that's the reason why you want to be on blogs, pages like that. Give your opinion. Talk about these things. For example, you can say this bag is beautiful. I can imagine how it's going to look like if someone is fixing a nail like this with this bag. It's going to go smoothly to anywhere you want to go, and someone would like to check your page, already knows what you're talking about, and they come to check your page and they see what you have. Remember, I have not talked about opening an Instagram page at all. I have not. I am only talking about what you can do to get audience to your page on Facebook. Let's say you are using Facebook, or on WhatsApp, on your status. These are the things you are going to do. First things you are going to do, get to see people's response, get to see people's reactions. You know what? People are going to be the one to even ask you questions that you might not know they are having issues with. You are going to open an Instagram page. Instagram page works perfectly for businesses that cannot do without pictures. Exactly. The gram, Instagram. Exactly. That is where you want to go. However, where do you want to go? You want to be posting it on LinkedIn? I beg, you are deceiving yourself. So go to Instagram. So what you want to do is you want to create a page on Instagram. And don't forget, I don't think this video is about to teach you how you can create an Instagram page. It's to teach you what you can do if you're starting a new business. Okay, so let me also remind you that you should not joke at this particular time with branding, which means that you have to have a very good logo. You have to have a very good visual that will represent your business very well. Remember, we have said you are the pata of them all, so you know the business very well. You want to post pictures and videos that make a lot of sense. Now, this is not to say that when you open your Instagram page, you want to start advertising to people and be saying that they should come and fix nail at your store. This is not even that time at all, because we've not trusted you yet. We should give you our nail. You just no, just for my wife's nail. Open a page, put a very good bio on it, then tell people what they are going to benefit on your page. Mention your store, or if it's an online thing, put it there. Mention where you are always available. Make sure that all the things you are mentioning are either the things that are going to give people value, to let people know what offer you have for them, how they can contact you. If there is anything they can never get anywhere, they will get on your page. What you specialize on, in fact, is what is supposed to be on your bio, not how to scare them away. For example, I don't know why people do this thing. I think maybe they are scammers. That's why they put no refund. You collect item, no refund, no return. To put a very good bio that is going to identify you as someone that can be trusted. You want to help people out. That's the first thing you want to do. Yes, that's what you want to do. And when people are coming your WhatsApp, they are coming to your Instagram page, your followers start increasing. They are coming for your Facebook page, you are bringing them to your Instagram page. So you don't have to worry about new followers then. It is not easy for you to want to start a business in Nigeria, especially when it's not easy to even get money to even do ad, pay influencer. But you have to do this. You have to do this. An awareness campaign help people to get to know you, that you are in business now. You are ready for them. You are ready to show them the way, and they should stop patronizing your competitors. Let people know that you are alive. After a while, I have shocked you, but you have tagged. You are already ready to do business. You will need to run ads. The Facebook ad you want to run is not to sell to people. So listen to this very well. You want to go to all the content you've posted. Remember we said 30 days content, right? Pictures, videos, written words, audio, or whatever you, all of the content you've done. Pick the best of all the content you've done for 30 days. The one that you think people love the most, that got the best engagement. That's exactly the content you want to run your ad on. Which means that if the best of the engagement you got is 10 reactions, or let me say with the videos you were able to get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 views, and on this particular video you're able to get 100 views, which means that people watched it 100 times. Imagine what it's going to be if you're able to put 3,000 naira per day for the next 30 days for more people to see it. How many thousands are going to see it? Imagine you are going to get up to like 7,000 eyes, 10, 20,000 naira. Oh sorry, I too like money. 20,000 eyes to look at your videos, then you are going to get more followers. So the kind of campaign you want to do is view Instagram profile. You want people to come. I'm going to be very honest with you. All those big pages you see online, they continue to run ads. You know what Sabri Subi said? Instead of looking for get rich quick schemes, secrets, hacks, magic pills, or silver bullets, roll up your sleeves and get ready to do the work. Which means that your job is to be the best entrepreneur and business person you can be. To do that, you have to train and practice to master your craft, continually learning and getting better at the activity that you really move the needle for your business. You really want to put yourself into good training to understand what you need to do to get your business up and running. That also involves understanding how to run Facebook and Instagram ads that will create awareness for your business. And that is also part of the things that you will also learn that will help you to build your new business, because it is only when people know that you exist, now that time they will come to your business, come they buy wetin you dey sell. After these 30 days of doing these things, you can now start talking about how much your product costs. As a matter of fact, after that, if you are able to follow these things I have told you, you should be getting people asking for the prices of your product, and that is when you can start talking about different grades of products and services that you have. So you don't just come online and say people should just come and buy from you. You have opened a page, people should follow. You will see 100 followers now, or even 50 followers from your contacts. Most of them are going to be your family members that want to support you and just want to be there for you, and after one sale they are gone. Do you enjoy this video? Now subscribe to this channel. I need to get to 1,000 followers. Please share it. Share this video. You will not click on it. Share, you say that I did not do something for you today. Yeah now I'm begging. Thank you.